Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure and use two-factor authentication in cPanel. First, log into your cPanel. In the Security section, select Two-Factor Authentication. Click the Set up Two-Factor Authentication button to proceed and display instructions on using the QR code or manual entry to configure two-factor authentication. With the QR code method, you open App Authenticator and scan the QR code displayed. In this video, we use the Authenticator extensions on Chrome. Once the QR code is captured on your device, a security code will be generated. Enter this security code in the box labeled Security Code. Then, click the Configure Two-Factor Authentication button. You'll now see a message confirming that two-factor authentication has been configured. With the manual entry method, you can try to use the smartphone authentication app to proceed. On the smartphone authentication app, manually enter the account as it is displayed in the manual entry section of cPanel. Continue to manually enter the key as it is displayed in the manual entry section of cPanel. After that, enter the security code displayed in your smartphone app to the box labeled Security Code. Then, click the Configure Two-Factor Authentication button. You'll now see a message confirming that two-factor authentication has been configured. Now that you have configured this cPanel account to use two-factor authentication, the cPanel user will be prompted to enter the security code generated via the smartphone app or extensions on your browser to log into cPanel.